Guys, welcome back to the Wilderness Off-Road Channel. Now by the title you already know what's going on, but I want to go over the OEM specs with you. And now as you can tell, I'm in my garage because it is way too cold out. And hopefully later on I'll get some outdoor lighting shots, but this will have to do for now. Now on the rim, it's wrapped with a 225/60 R18, and some other measurements are that it is 28.6 inches tall, 8.9 inches wide, and the sidewall measures at 5.3 inches. Now this gives you roughly about 705 revolutions per mile. All right. So as you can tell, the wheel, the OEM wheel, does not pop out at all. It is within the wheel arch here, and it's in there. Now enter in the new custom wheel setup. Check these bad boys out. So here it is, the new wheel combo. These are the Black Rhino Sandstorms. Now it's wrapped in a BF Goodrich KO2s, and the measurements for these tires are 225/65 R17. So as you can maybe pick up, I went down a size in the rim. I went from an 18 to a 17. Now the offset for these tires are plus 35. Now OEM for the 3.6, I think is about 56 point something offset. So if you do the math, once these are on, it's going to end up having a negative offset, which is going to bring the wheel combo out. So it's going to give the Subaru a better stance. So here's a little bit of a side-by-side comparison. Looks almost identical. Now the measurements for this custom wheel setup are follows. The height is 28.5 inches. So it comes down 0.1 inch. The width, 8.9, which is the same. And the sidewall is 5.8 inches. And that increases 0.5 inches. So it's a higher sidewall to give it that closer measurement to the OEM size. Now, for the revolutions per mile, it's about 708. So that is a 3 revolution increase. So let's go take these wheels to the shop, get them put on, and I'll show you how they turned out. Y'all remember how far it was in? Ooh, that offset is mint. Just perfect.